bricklayer. Trucking accident involve commercial regulation for both the operator of the truck, the payload of the vehicle, and the maintenance of the truck. It is imperative if you are involved in a wreck with a truck that you connect a truck accident lawyer immediately. We need to have a accident reconstruction expert at the scene talking measurement picture and doing diagram before evidence is lost. We will want to send a preservation of evidence letter to the defendant to ensure truck logs, maintenance records, and driver history is preserved. The injuries sustained in a truck accident involving 18-wheeler, semi-trucks, tractor trailer, flatbeds, tongue trucks, delivery trucks, box trucks, and dump trucks are usually very serious and oftentimes result in a fatality. Can be served recovering from the wreck can be a process resulting in significant medical bills and long-term disabilities. Boston, Fall River, New Haven, and Hartford, as well as surrounding communities with offices located throughout Rhodes Island and one of the main obstacles in the attempt to recover compensation is determining who was at fault for the crash. The truth is many parties may be at fault for your accident. For example, if you miss time at work due to injuries you sustained in the crash or suffering from PTSD, you could be awarded compensation. If you expect any long term disabilities or scarring, you may recover applicable damage. You should be compensated for pain and suffering related to the crash, future medical bills, or any other out of pocket costs you incur because of your injuries, such as those needed for wheelchair or additional pain medication or other similar services. A truck accident lawyer can manage your claim. No matter the specific of the case, a truck crash is a traumatic event, even if it only leads to minor injuries. It can still leave a victim shaken and unready to pressure legal action. You want an attorney on your side who will go to battle with the big corporation, fight for your right, and hold the trucking corporation responsible for their action and negligence. We are familiar with the time limit available to victims in Providence, Boston, Fall River, Hartford, and New Haven and will file a claim and take care of other specifics in a timely fashion so you can get on with your life. Truck accident causes truck driver fatigue in one of the chief causes of truck accident. Truck driver deadlines causing accident. Nationwide, as many as 25% of traffic fatalities in multi-vehicle accident involve commercial truck. Poor truck maintenance causing truck accident. Overweight or improper loading.